What's going on, everybody? Texas Mod Network here, back at you again with another video. Today I'm just going to kind of do a build breakdown on the Bronco. I figured I'd just go through some web pages here, that way you don't have to look at me any more than you have to. So I got here, pulled up on the screen, the Rough Country 4-inch suspension lift kit for the Bronco 2. I really want to do a suspension lift kit on it, raise the truck up a little bit higher. I'm not sure if I'm going to go with a 4-inch or not. I might just go with a 2-inch if I can find one reasonable. The truck is already body lifted. It's kind of an old body lift, so I might end up just completely, replacing all the body lift bushings with regular bushings and then just go full suspension lift for the truck just to have better off-road handling. Really still haven't decided on that yet. It's really going to factor into like price and what I can afford. So with that being said, I definitely think it'll be a good route to go, get the best handling out of it. And then from there, I also want to make sure, or not make sure, but I want to try to do custom bumpers. Might try to fab them myself. I'm really not sure yet. I'm trying to decide which route I want to go. I really like the idea of doing the integration for the rear tire carrier into the bumper. The one that's on there right now is kind of beat up too. Really want to do something more along the lines of, instead of like a tube bumper like this, I'm thinking more of the full-fledged steel bumper, a little bit more shape to the body. I'm not sure exactly yet. I do kind of want to go along with the idea of some kind of winch as well. That's just kind of the thoughts I have on the bumper. Definitely maybe something a little more beefier like this right here from Summit, kind of have the bar coming out. Still haven't decided on that yet. Definitely keep things in mind. As far as, I do want to upgrade the wheels. I'm actually going to paint the wheels to start with as far as being cost efficient. I'm kind of thinking something like more of the race style wheels. This is just the basic metal or method black wheels. Kind of the beadlock look. I really think it'd be good for kind of the crawler, kind of off-road kind of look for the Bronco. Really definitely interested in those. Kind of hope maybe to down the road get that. Definitely won't be something right away in the build. One thing that I know for sure is going to happen, I'm going to take out all the interior because it's really roached out, and I'm going to go ahead and coat it. I'm not sure what coating I'll use exactly. It's going to be a bed liner. I'm not sure what company I want to go with as far as the actual product, but definitely going to strip out the interior. Going to do the floor at least. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the panels and stuff on the sides. Thinking about maybe doing some aluminum pieces, some custom metal pieces. Kind of clean it up, make it where I can basically spray this thing out if I take it out off-road, mudding, that sort of thing. Another idea down the road, considering doing an exo cage on the truck. Not sure how it's going to work out cost-wise or anything of that nature. Or I might, kind of go away from the idea in the future. But I really like the idea of doing an exo cage. I'm not sure because the Bronco is, it's a smaller truck. So I really feel like it can pull off the exo cage. Because, a lot of people, they do the smaller, like, Tacomas and stuff. The S10s, that sort of thing. Anything that's like a smaller rock crawler, you see the exo cages more. Like the Suzuki Samurais, too. I think they do pretty good with it. Or look good with it anyways. Kind of give me the inspiration for that. Kind of moving on from there, I definitely want to do some updated headlights. I'm not sure if I'm going to do projectors or not. Whatever I do, I'm going to incorporate LEDs. That way, if I am driving the truck kind of on a regular basis, I've got good lighting down the road. Apart from the stock 1987, just regular sealed beam headlights. I just don't really care for those. I definitely want to upgrade to something LED, maybe something I'll be able to actually switch the bulbs out on. I'm not sure how unique I want to make those. I want to keep the truck more of an off-road look. I'm not necessarily going, super crazy customized look. And then in conjunction with the headlights, I also plan on doing a custom grille. Kind of look at a newer Bronco here. Just something simple, just kind of an outline, because I don't really care for just the stock like chrome look as much. I don't care for that as much. I want to go just maybe it's probably just a simple mesh, just basically to replace the stock grill. But All in all, guys, I think it's definitely going to be a fun build to say the least. There's a lot of work to be done. Still haven't decided the route that I want to go with the engine yet. Really trying to figure out if I want to just... Obviously, first, I just want to get it running on the stock 2.3. Get that running, see how I like it. You know, if I want more power down the road, I'll probably end up trying to throw some kind of V8 into it. Maybe find an old 302. I'm not really sure yet. I don't know how much money I'll actually end up deciding to invest into this project. Just kind of see how it'll transform. You know, we'll do a little bit at a time. Hopefully have a lot of fun with it on the channel here. And really hope you guys enjoy this video. Just kind of a good post. You know, keep the daily vlogs going. See if we can make it all the way through 2018. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little bit different style of video. And you look forward to the Bronco build. If you did like the content, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Would love to see you around more.